Caesar Park Hotel Taipei is a 5-star hotel since 1973 as Hilton Taipei, located in the heart of Taipei City, directly across from Taipei Main Station and Taoyuan Airport MRT Taipei Station. Caesar Park Taipei offers the most convenient access to Taiwan Railway, Taiwan High-Speed Rail, Taipei MRT and buses. I booked superior twin room, 2 twin beds for about $100 per night, weekday price without breakfast. I emailed the hotel to confirm my reservation. The hotel replies back with valuable information like Taiwan policy starting from January 1st, 2025. Disposable amenities will no longer be provided for free. Caesar Park Hotel Taipei is well maintained for over 50 years old. The hotel has 478 rooms, 20 floors tall, with gym, spa, laundry room, drink bar, restaurant, and a rooftop garden without a swimming pool. The hotel basement has direct connection to a food court and Exit M6 of MRT station. The standard check-in time is 3 p.m. Check-out time is 12 p.m. There is a luggage storage service at the front desk for customers. This is the closet, and under that, that's the safe. Also got 2 pajamas, garment bag, and 2 sleepers. And this is the coffee maker for the hot water bottle, and 2 water bottle, 2 cups, and coffee and tea. And this is the refrigerator, and it's empty. And under that, you got 2 drawers. And this is the dryer. This is the Panasonic dryer. This is the empty drawer. In the bathroom, if you walk inside, you can see that's the toilet. That's with the control. So you can hot water, warm water control, and also come with the bathtub and shower. And they provide the body wash and shampoo, no conditioner. And this is the sink. AC control, so control the temperature and the wind speed, high, low. The Taipei Caesar Park Hotel. This location is excellent. It's cross street to the Taipei Main Station and also connected to the Taoyuan Transit. So from airport here about 40 minutes, and cross street, this is the hotel. So excellent location. And also they have a bathtub inside, and they got the 2 bottled water and laundry bag. Also got this pajamas for customers, and also got USB outlet. And the light is okay, and TV is not a smart TV, so it's an old TV. after staying at the Caesar Park Hotel Taipei for 2 nights. Here are my ratings of this hotel from 1 to 5. Location 5 out of 5. Wi-Fi quality 5 out of 5. Cleanliness 4 out of 5. Comfort level 4 out of 5. And value for money 5 out of 5. The cons for Caesar Park Hotel Taipei is the age of the hotel, no modern look for 5-star hotel. The pros are the great location and the price. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.